Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I created my perpetual calendar using items from the Dollar Tree. I made it so that it can be hang vertically or horizontally, or be freestanding, also vertically or horizontal. What you'll need from the Dollar Tree are 2 packages of the foam dice, one of these faux canvas art pieces, 8 of the tumbling tower blocks. The first thing I did was with Waverly Crimson chalk paint, I gave my dice 2 coats of red paint. While that was drying, I removed the plastic canvas from the frame and with a screwdriver and tried to keep it intact as possible because I am going to trim it down because I'm going to create a reverse canvas. So cut it down so that it fits the back of the piece. I covered it with 2 coats of the same crimson red chalk paint. Then I took my Jenga blocks and I glued them together with wood glue because I'm trying to recreate the piece that you see on the top, which is actually the hanger that was underneath the back of the frame, because that fits pretty well inside the box, the square frame thing. You might want to stop and take a screenshot, but this is how you place the numbers on your dice, first block and then the second block. And I did use my Cricut to cut my words and my numbers. Once my paint was dry, I stapled the canvas to the back of my frame. And then I inserted the dividers inside the box. This is tricky because the dice are not all exactly the same size. So before you put your numbers on, make sure you can wiggle them in and out easily. I decorate for October, Halloween, and December, the whole month of December for Christmas, so I don't have blocks with those 2 months. And by doing that, I was able to make 2 blocks with 2020. I did notice that because it was such a tight squeeze, the paint was starting to chip off a little, so I just covered it with some wax paint. And here you can see it is horizontally as a tabletop, or just vertical. It depends on what space you have. My house is neutral, but every room has a pop of red, so I can really place this pretty much in every room. And I just added some wire to the back so that I could also hang it up if I desired. I hope you enjoyed my calendar. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't already a subscriber, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.